I am Sunil Kumar Gopalan, Director at MEL MHE Mobility Private Limited. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. This is actually a lithium-ion battery pack which is used in forklift truck applications with a rating of 48 volt 400 H. And this is particularly being used in a 2-ton range forklift trucks, which this battery can support the forklift operations about 8 to 10 hours in continuous run. This battery offers is it's a fast charging battery. This battery can be charged within 2 to 3 hours of use, which gives the productivity, industrial productivity, an enhancement and a boost altogether. We are a 20-year-old company engaged in material handling equipments and EV mobility. We are into this product field for the last 5 years. At present, we have more than 1,000 batteries in the field, those who are running at different industries of different types of industries. And we have a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility which is in Chakan, Pune.